that you found value in this live stream and you want to buy me a coffee, just click the buy me a coffee link. So let's count how many ways we already monetized this live stream and content. First, we have the t-shirt business that you can start in less than 30 minutes through archigram.me. Second, I was promoting BeLive. I actually work at BeLive. So in any way, I'm getting paid to talk about BeLive, not just because I have to, but because I love BeLive. I'm a BeLive user and a BeLive teammate. Anyway, BeLive is also free, but if you click my link and then you turn into a paid subscriber, then I get also a commission when you do that. So that's called affiliate marketing. I also did a blog post on that. If you're interested to learn how you can promote affiliate products in your live streams, just let me know. I will link as well below. So that's the second one. Yeah, and the third one is buy me a coffee. So buy me a coffee is super simple. You just set up a buy me coffee page, and then when people are interested, I've also bought coffee for some people, especially in the pandemic. I've bought like the people that I know, that I love and follow online, and I plan to meet them. I bought them coffee online. So it's really cool way, especially now.